Hey, what's up? It's me, back at it again with another episode of this, you know, whatever you may call it, man. Video, YouTube, or a podcast. Yeah. So yeah, man. You can see me here yapping probably all the time, man. I'm just gonna sip some of my tea before I start this podcast. I would like to say that this is probably my third take, you know, because I'm trying to gather those thoughts once again. And this video is just all about, you know, the Presaan National 2025 that happens in Tuguegarao City, Cagayan Valley of the Philippines, where every private schools athletes gather around to compete against each other. And not gonna lie, that experience is just, if you're an athlete, you would like to seize. You would like to seize that opportunity to get better, challenging those um, excellent, amazing athletes to perform with, on every sports that they do, So yeah, that's one thing that you want to add to your bucket list if you're in the Philippines studying in a private school institution, as an athlete. I had the privilege to press represent my team and my school and my region, you know, especially UA where I came from, So just checking if it is recording. Oh yeah, it is. And moving on to that, I mean, moving on, I had doubts because my preparation was short. But in anyways, man, I enjoyed the games. It's finished and I am making or editing the upcoming video on my YouTube channel, on my running YouTube channel, which I am currently working on and hopefully publish it sooner or later. And I'm just glad that I made some moves about it and will continue on the next days. And I'll just link it down below whenever it is finished, And moving on to that, I'm grateful that I represented my school to the ones that gave me opportunity, especially the sports coordinator, my coach, Shout out to those, Sir Ulysses Rangel and Miss Marisa Pingol. Yeah, moving on to that, I thank myself that I'm able to show up despite those shortcomings that we made, And this is also a gratification video or just a thank you video to the ones that I spent the most time with, especially those swimming team, Coach Aldrin, JC, Altea, Dylan, and Tony. And yeah, where do I even start, man? Um, for the time being, man, I would like to start where first place I am just grateful to meet them there despite the, you know, when we first met on the bus, we're just silent and, just, yeah, hello, something like that, greetings. But it changes after we spent time together in Tuguegarao. That place have a that place and feeling have a special place in my heart that I wanna replay once again, and it's just grateful to be a part of that journey, and to everyone that I spent time with. Once again, swimming team, man. The bond, the late night bonding, memories, laugh we shared, the memories we created on that place is just top tier, and that made my last Presa Nationals, memorable. And I'll probably print some pictures and add to my album just like I did last year. And for context, guys, these are the ones that these guys, I'm gonna show some pic. These guys are the ones that I spend my time with. I can show it to screen or to edit, to the edit, because I'm uploading this straight to the point on YouTube. You see, can you see? I'm trying to see if trying to find a pic, a decent one to show it to you guys. Yeah, wait.
Here are they. I can point them, but that's them, man.
Ang hirap. Wait. Yeah. La, 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 la. So here it's on my right, the one with glasses, Coach Aldrin. One behind me, Tony. My teammates, Miss P. And here's JC, man. JC is one of the guys that's friend. Ay, that's a friend. And my friend, oh damn. JC is one of the guys that I know, you know, because her brother is my friend in senior high school, batchmate slash barkada, close friend. Yeah, that's why I know him. And the one in the back, it's Dylan, and that my dog is just, oh my god. Dylan and Altea at the back wearing glasses, black glasses, and their teammate Kat. So yeah. So yeah, I know. Do I know? So yeah, that's the guys that I've been wanting to, you know, shout out. You know, let me drink my tea once again. I'm drinking a tea before sleep. Here's the tea, man. So yeah, I lost my thoughts about that. Yeah. After that, yeah. So playing the sport, man, is just mentally and physically exhausting. As everyone knows, it is really physically and mentally exhausting. And these guys just made me feel valued on that because I don't really get that thing at home, like being able to express my feelings towards the sport, especially the pressure is the pressure on that level is just far too high, and you know and wanting to win, and it all piles up, man, as an athlete, and they made sure to check up on me, especially Coach Aldrin. We, exchanging some thoughts on perspective on those things and whatever that comes into our minds, you know. And I am just grateful for that once again. That's the one thing that I admire to coach, to that coach, is like spontaneously, exchanging some words and just random facts, I guess, that he really wanna share, and he want to like showcase, like to, as an athlete and a coach, is just giving some, some scenarios, situations, some facts or whatever, man. But basically in life in general, you know, that you can relate with, that you can like somehow, that I also want that type of, conversations, and yeah, I'm just grateful for that, man. Again, this is a gratification video for them. And for JC, um grateful for that guy. He's just a funny person like his brother, and um just a guy who just, you know trying to joke around and laugh. I think that's his personality, but he also loves the talks, man. You know, that's our similarity of all, I guess. JC just like that, like deep talks about life, especially late at night, man. On the first on the first night we spent there, or like we're there on the rooftop of the building, man, or the hotel. We just getting to know each other, talking about, you know sport and life, on what are the things that we want to do, something like that we enjoy, you know and that's the first night. And I mean, I don't really have to dig into those conversations, but one thing I'd like to is to like record it and just play the mic, but I haven't not able to do it there because I don't have any mic, you know. So yeah, moving on. to the guys or to the girls, man, Dylan, Altea, and Tony, which you know, we spend most time with, cause like whenever Coach Aldrin is, like ano ba yun? Tangin ng Tagalog. They are together, as a team. So for me, I'm on athletics team. So whenever I have games, I will separate to them. But they are usually the ones that spending most of their time with the team. I am just with them some lunch, breakfast, something like that, or rest time in the room. And yeah, for the for Altea is she's just a jolly person. um she's uh what do I describe her, likes to talk about things that is um just being around, and trying to. Ay, may bumibili ng yelo. Hindi ko alam kung ako ilalabas o hindi. Wait lang, sana naman hindi ako. Yeah, I'm gonna sip my tea again. But for Altea, she's just fun and a jolly person. And she talks about her crush a lot. um I mean, like the conversations with her was just around having, maybe a relationships. They want that type of conversation. And yeah, and Dylan is probably the most innocent, but I don't know, man. She has the most innocent reaction, or like she's not the youngest, but she's like the youngest. I like her personality. Like the the way she carries herself. She carries herself, to the conversations. And what can I say about her, man? I mean, there's no, you know, um, I just really like her reactions, man. Like the, the dialogue of her day one with Dylan. If you spend time with her, you're just gonna, probably get along with her and her reactions, cause, you know, his, she's like talking in English so much. And yeah, I'm just amazed by that, and I'm just entertained, or like it's fun to like see that reactions with her. And yeah, I'm done with Coach Aldrin, Daisy, Althea, Dylan, and the last, uh you know these are the guys I spend most of my time with on that. you know JC, Coach Aldrin, Althea, Dylan, and Tony. Then Tony was the last one, because she is like, I don't know her much, don't know much about her, but I think that she's been like not really, you know, showing up or like not opening up that much about her, but yeah, I really appreciate that the whenever I the the time we are going home, man. Um, she's been on my side because I've been feeling sick or like feeling not good, because I might I I ate too much before we go. That's why I have maybe on that time, like the evening, I've got diarrhea and she's just with me and trying to buy me some water and some bubble gums. I appreciate that. And yeah, it's just she's she's just uh like if you see her, it's just like mysterious girly, you know. And yeah, man, basically they are fun overall, to sum the guys, like to sum up their, positive attitudes and characters, I guess. They are just fun to be with and loves to be, loves the deep talks, loves to be, like questioning around about life and, preferences and stuff like that. Yeah, I mean, that was fun and definitely needed some more for that. But I don't know when will be the next time, you know, because yeah, you will never know if that's the last. So yeah, I'm just grateful for that um interaction, for the friends that we made along the way on Prisa Nationals, for the swimming team, for JC, for Coach Aldrin, Tony, Dylan, Altea. This video is for you, like appreciation vid, like a gratification vid, whatever you may call it, man. I love, but I love to yap about those things, because those things are just once in a lifetime, and having someone that you relate with, you know, is just top tier level, and that feeling is forever treasured and can be replayed anytime on my mind. you know it's just that hopefully we'll catch up soon though. And yeah, basically that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching. And you know what's next? By the way, I would like to add this. What's next? It's the it's that it's the question that Coach Aldrin been asking me. I've been, trying to think of the things that I want to do after graduation. Like what's next, right? But anyways, I will like follow along my plans. I will not spoil to anyone probably, but I might I might said it excuse to others. I might said it to coach. But whatever plans that we are doing in life, I know that you know we can do it as long as we are wholeheartedly doing that for ourselves, not for other people, that you will find some purpose in life, to continue doing what you are doing, not because what others tells you to, so yeah, that's my that's the thing that I'm holding on to right now, that whatever path that we may take, it will for sure take us to success, because we want that thing, none other than other people. We don't do that thing because other people tell us to do that, but we believe in ourselves, man. Whatever it may be, I know that we will gonna achieve those dreams that we are talking about. So yeah, that's the I'm hope that that's the vid's all about. I hope that you know you are having a good time right now. I hope that podcast this podcast has been a help for you, and I hope that you are safe and just trying to live life. So yeah, always always appreciate every moment, present moment. And yeah, until the next time, I'll see you guys on to the next. Peace. La, 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 la.